Now Delaney from the market bought a fowl a month ago. If he finds the man that sold it, sure he'll kill him with a blow. Well, Delaney bought this chicken, it being of a tender breed. But of a more deceitful bird, you never heard a greed. Well, when he sought to pluck it, all his efforts were in vain. His hands were torn and blistered, and his muscles they were strained. So resting of this chicken, he put him down to stew. If you want to set Delaney cracked, cry cock-a-doodle-doo. This bird must have been crowing since they built the Tower of Babel. Was fed by Cain and Abel and lived in Noah's stable. 'Cause all the shots and shells were fired in the field of Waterloo. Could not penetrate or dislocate the tigulated, armour-plated, double-breasted, iron-chested cock-a-doodle-doo. Well, Delaney bought this chicken for to give us all a spread. So after he arriving home, he tried to pull off its head. He ordered picks and shovels, they got twisted up like tin. He tried to carve the chicken, but he couldn't break the skin. So he borrowed Daly's rammer, by which he rams the stones, thinking that when tapped would break the tender chicken's bones. But the first one it rebounded like an Indian rubber ball, and knocked 12 yards of coping out of Mulligan's garden wall. This bird must have been crowing since they built the Tower of Babel. Was fed by Cain and Abel and lived in Noah's stable. 'Cause all the shots and shells were fired in the field of Waterloo. Could not penetrate or dislocate the tigulated, armour-plated, double-breasted, iron-chested cock-a-doodle-doo. Oh, the Dundee excavators came to excavate the thing, but the swords they carved the Russians with bent like a yard of string. Tim Burke brought a Davy Minor and through the chicken showed daylight, while blowing up himself and that chicken with a pound of dynamite. Now to scrape the walls for chicken, no, it wasn't easy work. It wasn't easy knowing which was chicken or which was Burke. They found a leg of chicken on a friendly blacksmith's head, and a pair of everlasting heels upon my boots he made. So this bird, it was blown straight out of Tipperary, up past the walls of Derry and around the ring of Kerry. But all the shots and shells were fired in the field of Waterloo. Could not penetrate or dislocate the tigulated, armour-plated, double-breasted, iron-chested cock-a-doodle-doo.